Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how to change the idle timeout in your NETGEAR switch. So first, what you want to do, you want to be in system information, and then here you'll see the idle timeout. So you can change it to whatever you want it. So for example, I want it to be 20 minutes and then apply. So basically what it does, when you haven't done anything for 20 minutes or something, then you'll have to enter your password again. You'll be in that authentication state. And basically that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.